When I was young, I visited many countries, taking photos of wild birds. But there's one place still on my bucket list. A place with 3 large wild bird species not found in North America. Far north, in the land of the rising sun, lies a birdwatcher's paradise. It's time to go to Japan. It's time to go to Nemuro.
Nemuro City, Hokkaido. This port town is located at the easternmost edge of mainland Japan. This area sees more than 370 species of wild birds, many migrating from nearby Siberia. Truly a paradise for wild birds. In Nemuro, the area where the most migratory birds gather is called Shunkunitei.
春区帯には草原があったりとか森林があったり、あとまた湿地があるっていうことで、餌が豊富だったり多様な環境があるので、多くの野鳥たちが暮らせるようになっています。
An abundance of food nurtured by diverse environments attracts many wild birds. Hide huts are located throughout the area. They make the perfect escape for observing wild birds in any kind of weather. Birdwatching cruises depart from Nemuro's docks, allowing for a close-up view floating alongside the birds on the sea. These boats are operated by local fishermen. There's no better guide than professional fishermen to find the best observation spots. When planning your trip, Cape Nosapu at the tip of the Nemuro Peninsula should not be missed. From the observation deck, you can see the Northern Territories and Japan's unique islands with your naked eye, just a few kilometers away. Nemuro faces both the Pacific Ocean and the Sea of Okhotsk, making a wide variety of seafood available throughout the year. Anyone visiting the seafood market will be astounded by the sheer variety available. At the local restaurants in Nemuro City, diners can enjoy the freshest seafood dishes a fishing port has to offer. Chefs prepare a sumptuous range of dishes to show off their skills. You can also enjoy game meat like venison alongside the freshest seafood. There are many popular local dishes to try. Incredible landscapes, remarkable wildlife. You'll never forget Nemuro.